Hello, we're back. It's Anne again, and we're doing another camera hack. So today we're gonna look at this hack that I found on Pinterest, and I can only describe it as like framing but with fabric. So making it look like you're coming through fabric, maybe in a blanket or something, or just how to artistically use fabric around your lens to frame your subject and to add some interest and texture to your photos. So I pulled out two items that I'm going to try using. I'm going to try using this scarf and try using this kind of linen shirt. So from what I could tell, it's best to use something that's maybe sheer or linen-like, or maybe something that has lace, something that's still soft, not harsh, but can move really easy, because you don't want to use something like flannel, which is really thick and it's not going to move or look very natural with your subject. So we're going to give that a try today and see how it turns out. I'm pretty optimistic.
Okay, so first you're going to need a tripod for this, and also a camera with a screen that changes or moves out helps. So I tried first with the linen shirt, which you're soon going to see didn't work super well. It was too small, and well, you can see why it didn't work very well. I gave up. You just gotta laugh it off and try something new. So I got the scarf, and the scarf helped, but I think it would have been better if it was a little wider. And also, if I had a model I was taking pictures of, this would have been quite a bit easier, but we made it work. Also, tying it down to the tripod really helps. Also, angling the camera down really helps, but here's the result. Not too bad. So the next thing I did was move inside because there was less wind, and I also wanted to see what it would look like if I had less direct light. So I'm still sitting by the window because I still want some natural light, especially since I'm using the fabric and that will dim a lot of light. So try to be next to a window or outside. It depends on the mood that you want. But in pictures, you'll see that I got a slightly different mood by being inside versus outside. Outside it was a lot more bright, or inside the pictures came out a little bit more moody. So my only suggestions when doing this is really play around with it. Get used to moving the fabric around, hiding part of your face with it, or putting your hands up and trying to frame your face more with your hands. Just really get comfortable and try to play with it. Also, like I said before, having a model would really help. The other cool thing about this trick is that this is something that you can do with really any camera. You can do it with a cell phone, you can do it with a film camera. So really this trick can be achieved by anyone.
That was actually much harder than I thought it would be, but I think that's only because I was by myself, and I think like with the hacks that I did a couple days ago, that you need more than one person to do a lot of these things, like to be taking pictures of somebody, holding up the fabric for the person, or like foliage like we did last time. So just something to keep in mind. So yes, you can do these hacks by yourself, but I really suggest enlisting a friend. Plus it's more fun that way. Taking pictures of friends is, honestly, I prefer taking pictures of my friends more than I take pictures of myself. I think that's pretty normal. I really enjoyed this. I would do this again, but with somebody and with maybe bigger materials. The scarf was really thin width-wise, so it was kind of hard to make it look like I was completely covered. But you can also crop that down later, as you saw earlier in this video. Until next time, if you want to see more hacks, please subscribe and also comment below what you would like to see. If you go to my Instagram at annabelle.film, you can also send me some of the pictures that you've tried. Maybe you've tried these hacks and you can show me what you've done. I love being inspired by you guys. Alright, so until next time, bye!